Buying a life insurance policy can help provide financial protection for your loved ones, but choosing the right policy can be confusing. There are several types of life insurance policies available. Some, like term life insurance, last for a set number of years. Others, like permanent life insurance policies, can provide coverage that lasts a lifetime while offering additional savings or investment components. To help you get started, we've compiled a list of the top life insurance companies of 2022. We've also gathered information about different types of policies, how the life insurance quote process works, and how to purchase a policy once you find the right one. 1. Haven Life. Haven Life is a digital insurance agency that offers two term life insurance options, Haven Term and Haven Simple. Haven Term is a term policy with durations of between 10 and 30 years and coverage of up to $3 million. Haven Simple is also a term-based policy but has lower coverage amounts and shorter offered durations of between 5 and 20 years. The upside for some people may be that it doesn't require a medical exam for coverage. Both policies can be applied online without the aid of an agent. Pros. Can be purchased online. No medical exam required for some applicants. Cons. Only offers term life insurance. 2. Bestow. Bestow sells one type of policy with terms between 10 and 30 years available in 5-year increments. The policy has coverage amounts up to $1.5 million. The entire application can be completed online, and you can text or call Bestow's customer support team with any questions. One of the things that set Bestow apart from the other companies in our rating is that none of their policies require a medical exam. Pros. None of its policies require a medical exam. Terms policies between 10 and 30 years in duration. Cons. Only term life policies available. Doesn't offer any riders. 3. New York Life. New York Life is the highest rated company in our rating to offer both term and permanent policies. Its permanent life insurance options include both whole and universal policies. The term policies it offers can also be converted to a permanent policy. You also have the option of adding riders such as disability waiver of premium, accidental death benefit, and living benefits. Pros. Offers term, whole, and universal life policies. Term policies can be converted to permanent. Cons. Policies are more expensive than many companies in our rating. Policies aren't fully explained on the company website. 4. Northwestern Mutual. Founded in the 1850s, Northwestern Mutual offers term, whole, and 2 universal policy options. One of its 2 universal policy options, Custom Universal Life, gives you options to customize both your death benefit and your premiums, while its single premium universal policy is exactly what it sounds like. You can make a single premium payment for a universal life insurance policy. Pros. Offers term, whole, and universal policies. Offers a single payment universal policy. Cons. Can only be purchased through an agent. Limited online pricing information. 5. Lincoln Financial Group. Lincoln Financial Group offers both term and universal policies. Its 2 term policies, Term XL and Life Elements, have durations of between 10 and 30 years with coverage options ranging from $100,000 to $1 million. Some policyholders may also be able to convert their term coverage to a permanent life insurance policy, starting at $100,000. Depending on your application, you may not be required to take a medical exam. Pros. Offers term and universal policies. Some policies may not require a medical exam. Cons. Doesn't offer whole life insurance policies. Applying for policies requires working with a Lincoln financial professional. 6. John Hancock. John Hancock offers both term and universal policies. One thing that sets it apart from other companies in our rating is its terms policy, which offers coverage up to $65 million. The downside is that the policy's minimum coverage amount is $750,000. Both the minimum and maximum are higher than many of the companies in our rating. For example, Haven Life's Haven Term policy starts at $100,000 and maxes out at $3 million. Pros. Offers term and universal life insurance policies available. Offers higher coverage levels than many of the companies in our rating. Cons. Doesn't offer whole life insurance.